I'm Bud Hagan. I am a retired clergyman. I came because I had some pain. I wanted to see about alternative to surgery. What I was straining with when I came to Abundant Health was pain in my shoulders, carpal tunnel syndrome, as well as pain in my hips. And I wanted to find something, an alternative to what was out there. How it was impacting my life. The carpal tunnel, especially shake hands with individuals, great amount of pain if someone had too much pressure. With my shoulders, I couldn't lift my hands over my arm and arms over my head. My hips were another issue. They were causing me difficulty fast walking. How did I find out about Abundant Health? I'm a sucker for a free meal. So I always want to find out what it is about. And so that's the reason we came to this seminar, and we were impressed. We received a postcard in the mail, and I told my wife, I said, maybe we should look into this. Because I had looked into stem cell from years ago and seeing that this is what it was going to be as well, and I thought, let's listen to this again, see if there's changes that have taken place. Did I have any fears? No, I was not fearful. Always wanting to learn more. And I guess that's what I was interested in too. How could it help me, if it is possible to help me, which it has. What was it that ultimately made me decide to say yes? Twofold. One, I wanted to get something done for myself. And the other thing, my wife said, we've got to do it. Results that I've received. First of all, the red light really caught my attention. I could feel difference already after the first procedure, and it has only improved as I've gone through it. With stem cells, before I couldn't put my hands over my head, my wrist, pain there, hips, same thing, pain. So it's just been in a progress and motion constantly in a real positive mood about this, yes. Oh, when I can do this, after having the stem cells just 1 week ago today, I couldn't believe it. And the wrist, that has gone from it being an inch tall to maybe 3/16. Very significant, and the pain is minimal. How's it improved the quality of my life? I can do so many more things now that I could not do before. Been able to speed up my fast walk now, which has been a major for me. Just being able to put my hands over my head, wow, it's just not worrying about, can I hold something? My grip. Being able to pick up things without fearing that I'm going to lose it. So these have all been very positive steps that have taken for me. Oh yes, all natural. If you have hesitancy, I did initially, but after the first set of the red light therapy, I was sold on the product. I said, this only improves. And then we got into stem cells, and it just that much more. And I thought, I've got to start telling people about this, which I've done. I've been telling many people about what's going on with me, and they're impressed, very impressed. They said they can't believe it. And I said, you can't believe it. I'm the guy that's feeling it.